So now we're entering Sinaia. We can go around it there, but I always like to pass through the town, through the resort, because it's really really beautiful. That speed bump is really too much, but yeah. Right here we have the Palace Castle. Again, the casino, the Sinaia Monastery, not to mention the mountain. We can go up to, let's say, 1,800 meters and even higher. Have a glimpse of the natives here as well. They are the usual ones. A good portion of them drunks, but as long as they are good people, it's all good. And here we have the Sinaia Hotel and many other hotels. This is the main street in Sinaia. Beautiful places where you can eat, but of course not cheap. It's affordable, but as everywhere in the world, you have to, let's say, be a bit careful where you park your car, ask the prices. I mean, it's something that is the norm all around the world, even if it's a mountain or a seaside resort. this guy again, I don't know what he's doing. Maybe on the smartphone as well. But yeah, the places are beautiful, you can admire them. But since this guy is from around here, I find that hard to believe. Soon we will pass the Saint Elijah stone church. This is the Royal Church. It is really like a monolith right here. And now we're leaving, we're exiting Sinaia. The road will be beautiful ahead also when towards Komarnik. But again, I will try to, let's say, bring the best parts of it. So I'll see you there. We began the descent on Valea Prahovei. Here the road is beautiful, but you also have to take care and use the engine brake all the time, and not only, of course, and drive really careful. Is a section of the road where the ones that drive from the lower part upwards floor it as I also did. Again, there are 2 lanes, and after driving in the line on the single lane for hours, you can imagine everyone is in a hurry to reach their destination faster. And soon we will reach Komarnik, another beautiful place to live and to be in, or at least to come in your free time. It is let's say near or before Braza, the place where in our country is the cleanest and the healthiest air possible. It has the highest, I don't know, factor here in Braza, and also on the seaside between Eforia Nord and Eforia Sud, where I will go. Again, this is a beautiful place. I was always amazed by this masonry, by this stonework, how durable it can be, despite the fact you can see it is not well maintained, but it is amazing. get warnings to use the engine brake also. Okay, so I'll see you in Komarnik.